Hi, I'm Chris, and I'm here to talk about one of Okuma's top 5 most underutilized technologies, SERVONAVI.
Okuma's SERVONAVI serves a critical purpose for your machine. It improves cycle time and accuracy when machining parts of varying weights. SERVONAVI comes standard on select turning and machining center models, equipped with the P300SA and P300MA controls, and offers work weight auto settings, reversal spike auto adjustments, and vibration auto adjustments. It works by measuring the inertia based on the weight of your part and fixture. By adjusting machine speeds based on weight, SERVONAVI allows for the ultimate high precision machining. For example, if you start with a very heavy workpiece and the servos are tuned for this work weight, SERVONAVI can make adjustments as the workpiece gets lighter, and you can technically move more quickly as the weight drops yet have the same accuracy.
Okuma's SERVONAVI software is easy to use and key when it comes to machining heavy workpieces that change drastically in weight once cut. If you need help setting up SERVONAVI on your Okuma machine tool, contact your Okuma distributor today.